This video is about an important issue, the location of the CardExchange data and license directories. CardExchange needs a data directory to store its configuration files, that is, the card designs, the data definitions, the mappings and anything else that needs to be remembered. Likewise, the license directory is used to store the license codes that make it possible to run CardExchange at all. During the installation, CardExchange asks where these folders should be stored. However, the default location is My Documents CardExchange, which is not a good choice if CardExchange needs to be shared between multiple users. If the administrator that did the installation did not change the default location of the data and license folders, this is what happens when another user tries to start CardExchange. We immediately start getting access denied errors, but of course our optimistic user happily keeps clicking OK and finally he will try to activate the license. This is the error he will end up with. The access to the path where the license codes are stored is denied. To solve this issue, we have to switch back to the administrator account and change the location of the license and data directories. Our data and license directories were stored in the My Documents folder, so let's start to move them to the public folder. It would even be better if you can put it on a network drive to assure that this folder is regularly backed up. It still happens all too often that users do not back up their configuration. Next, we have to set the correct access rights and give the other user full control over these folders. Finally, we have to tell CardExchange that the location of these folders has changed. To that end, we open Notepad or another text editor with administrator permissions. And we open the CardExchange.ini file in the installation folder. Here we see the references to the data and the license directories respectively. We will copy and paste the new location to the CardExchange.ini file and save it. If we now switch users again, we see that we can activate and run CardExchange without any problems. After we close the wizard, CardExchange starts as normally. Thank you for your attention.